Hello and welcome. Now, when you need to send an email in real time or at a specific time, you're going to do that using a broadcast message. And what you'll do is you'll go into your messages tab and then you're going to click inside of this link that says broadcast. That's going to bring you to this page. And you can use any of the following dialog boxes. You can use the drag and drop email builder, or you can send a plain text message. Now, when you send the drag and drop email builder, you will be sending that email in HTML. However, you will have the option of also giving your readers a plain text option. Now, when you're writing your email, you can choose to use any of the templates that Aweber has available, or you can use a plain template, allowing you to write straight to the document. Now, for the sake of the video, we're going to cut and paste some text into the field. So we're going to overwrite content that's already there, and we're going to place our content inside of the writing space. We're using the broadcast. You do have personalization tools. The default will be first name fix. You do have other personalization options, which you can use subscribers information. You can also use your subscribers location, and you can use any snippets that you create. So what you have is you have a WYSIWYG editor, which you can use to make your email look exactly the way you want. So what you can do is you can create spaces, as you can do here. You can also size up the entire text. You can create some text that's going to be bold, and you can create some text that's going to be italics. You can create hyperlinks inside of your text. All you'll need to do is you'll need to highlight the content you want to hyperlink. You're going to click this hyperlink. Then you're going to write in the link where you want it to go. And when you have a good link, Aweber will show you a green checkbox here. That means you're good to click OK, and then your link will be in place. You can always change your column alignment, as you can see it here. You can add a column to the right, and that'll actually push your content and make the margins smaller. And you can add in any of the other elements that you see here. For example, you can drag and drop a video into your space, and then all you'll need to do then is you'll need to change the properties, which you'll see here on the right hand side. If you decide you don't want the video, you can delete the video from your email. Now, what you'll want to do when you've completed your writing is you'll want to come down to the bottom, and then you'll want to save what you've written. But you don't want to exit this area first. What you want to do first is then go to this area for your plain text email so that you can format the plain text email. And what you'll see is that the email does not format quite correctly. So you're going to need to go into this custom area, and then you're going to need to reformat your plain text email so it looks the way you want when someone receives it also. Once you have it looking the way you want, you can then click Save and Exit. And then your broadcast email will be ready to send. Now, what you'll want to do then is you'll want to then click Preview and Test. You can then send this test message to your email so you'll see how it looks, as well as whether or not it's going to hit the inbox of your subscribers. In this case, you may want to send your test to one of the cloud-based email systems like Gmail or Microsoft. Once you conclude that your email is going to send, you can then click Save and Exit. You'll then see that your draft email is in position to be sent. One other thing that you can do is you can click this link that says Spam Score. Now, this will not guarantee that your email is going to hit the inbox. However, it will determine whether or not you have things in that email that are going to be openly hostile to the various cloud-based systems like Gmail and or Microsoft. Now, we're going to stop the video right now, and we're going to pick it up at the point of sending a broadcast and looking at the broadcast options.